Okay, question 2. Now, maybe on the face of it, this looks like a slightly less usual question, but if we look at what x and y are, okay, then x and y are both square root expressions, and we have to find things in their simplest form. So what we're doing here is we are simplifying surds. So in part A, where it says xy, it just means we have to do x, which is root 3, times y, which is root 12, and we have to use rules of surds to simplify. Now there are two ways to proceed here. We can either turn this into a single surd, or we can ignore the root 3 to begin with, and we can focus on the root 12, so we can maybe go on one side and simplify root 12 as a surd and get an answer. Okay, and substitute that back in. This way is probably more direct, but this way is maybe more what you might think of, because you're very used to simplifying things like root 12. Okay, either way you'll get to the same answer. Okay, then we've got to do y over x. So x is root 3, so we're going to have root 3 on the bottom, root 12 on the top. So how am I going to simplify that? Well, I could use a simplification of root 12, and if I substitute that in, then some nice cancelling will happen. Or if you want to leave it as root 12 to begin with, then we could actually do the standard thing to rationalize the denominator when I've got a surd on the bottom and no numbers mixed up with it. I just need to multiply by root 3 on the bottom, so it's going to be the same on the top. So the bottom will simplify, the top will actually reduce to something you've already simplified in part A, and again you're going to get simplification. So a couple of approaches you can use in B, and either of them work. And then for the last one, while we're doing x plus y squared, well, we could do a grid. Okay, we could say root 3 plus root 12 are two separate terms. So it's not a great idea, but you could do a grid like this. Okay, and it turns out that everything simplifies. Okay, because where you do root 3 times root 12, you can apply your answer to A. But maybe a smarter way to do it is to simplify x is root 3, and then for y, you substitute root 12, you can simplify to an expression, and y comes out as something times root 3, and we're squaring that. Well, root 3 plus some more root 3s is just going to be a single term. It's going to be just a root 3 with, again, a number in front of it, a different question mark. This isn't the same as that question mark. So if I'm doing a number times a surd and squaring that, that's easy to do as well. So 3 parts, and in each case there's more than one approach that will work. So use any of those ideas you like, but you should be able to simplify each expression. Good luck.